Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the DAX futures. Today is Saturday, January 27. So here we are still focusing on the lower time frame. We saw a bit more upside, but not really a move that invalidates one of our two counts. So we have a count in green here, assuming that we start a new impulse. So then this here would probably be our wave 4 low after a WXY correction. And then what we can get here from this low, or what we should get if this is a wave 4, if it is the start of our fifth wave, we need an impulse. And this impulse could play out as follows: a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and now a fifth wave up. So if we consider the RSI here, this or the RSI looks to support the 5 waves up right here. The only problem I have is if we look here at the subwaves of this wave 1, I prefer to see this structure and this structure actually as two separate waves, not as one wave. So that's a bit problematic with this wave 1. I discussed this in an earlier video. And now, in order for this to be an impulse right here, we would actually also need another high. So far, this fifth wave, it looks we have 3, 1, 2, 3. So it looks like we need one more push higher. If we go here to the 15 minute, here you see it better. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and here in the 15 minute, we need another high here, a fifth wave with divergence. And so then this could be an impulse 1, 2, a wave 2 running flat structure, 3, 4, 5. But like I said, this wave 1 here, in my opinion, is a bit problematic. I prefer to see it as an A, B, C structure, two separate waves here. And then what we actually would have, or this would actually fit better in a corrective move and a WXY structure as indicated in red. So as long as we stay below this level here, actually, so the all-time high, it could be that we are still working on a correction, and then therefore let's go back to the 1 hour. What could happen then is that this WXY structure was only the first corrective leg of a bigger WXY structure as shown in red. And then here we need a wave X. And so this wave X could be playing out right now as long as we stay below the all-time high. This here is the invalidation level for the count in red. And so then after this wave X, we can expect another Y leg down, 1, 2, 3, go deeper. And then, then there is a chance that the correction here, WXY, is in. So this is the invalidation level for the count in red. We cannot go beyond the all-time high. And so for the count in green, the impulse from the wave 4 low, here we are missing actually one more high, and then we could turn down to make a wave 2. So if this is wave 1, then here a wave 2 down. If we would take out the all-time high here, this structure can actually also be our fifth wave, because then if we take out the high right here, assuming that this is the wave 3, then we fulfill the minimum requirement for a fifth wave. which is going beyond the wave 3. And then there's actually another scenario, not on my chart yet, but I will discuss it briefly. So I told you here in red, we have the WXY scenario as a correction. If we take out the all-time high, would that mean that there is no other corrective scenario possible? No, there is still another corrective scenario possible, and therefore we go to the 4 hour. So if this is our wave 3 high, it could still be that we have an expanded flat structure right here. Then this here is our wave A in 3, 1, 2, 3, wave A. Then this here can be our overshooting wave B, and then we can have a C leg down, an impulse down as our fourth wave. That's also a possibility. The invalidation level for this scenario would actually be here, the area right here beyond the 1.236 FIP extension. It becomes unlikely to be this an overshooting wave B. So far this scenario is not yet on my chart, but I wanted to present this briefly because it's also a possibility. For now, the corrective scenario, I stick with the WXY structure, so here indicated in red. But remember, it could also be here WXY, that or low right here was the end of the corrective move, and that this becomes an impulse, as I showed here in red. However, this wave here looks problematic to be an impulse. But okay, if we make abstraction of this wave 1, then it could still be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But like I said, I do not really like this wave 1 here. It fits more as a corrective move A, B, C. Okay, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, or comment to support my work. And I see you one of the next days for another update on the DAX. Have a nice day. Bye bye.